Hello everyone, welcome to the HFA Palladium Activation and Usage video. So this is a brand new product from the MDM team. There's quite a few testimonials written in video on the website to the effects of what this product can do for you. Absolutely beautiful and masterfully crafted. Again, around the printed circuit board technology that first came out with Quantum this last year. So to activate this product, you want to just hold it in your left hand. Either side is fine, but you want to put your attention on the center of the circuit on either side and just repeat those 8 sacred words. I honor the space in which you exist. And now she's activated. When the HFA Palladium first arrives in the mail and you open it up, you're going to get a huge rush of energy from the product. It's unmistakable, undeniable. At which point you want to leave it open for a full 24 hours to acclimate. This product produces an extreme amount of energy, folks, and it really needs to acclimate to yourself and your surroundings before you use it. Once you have activated it, after 24 hours, you can go ahead and wear it around your neck. Few things. The design of this product is meant to keep dust out from underneath the quartz crystal, but not moisture. So it is imperative that it does not come into contact with water. You don't want to wear it in the shower. You don't want to wear it to the gym if you're sweating. You can still use the power of the HFA Palladium during your workouts simply by leaving it in your car or in your home or in a locker at the gym and just putting your attention on it and directing the energy from the HFA Palladium to any one of the chakras that you feel comfortable with. There's a lot going on with this device, and some of the advice I can give you is to just go slow and enjoy all of the subtleties that start to unfold. For me, it went through the entire range of emotions, energetic levels, and anything and everything in between. And what the one thing that truly stands out is how she rewrites your future events and changes your environment to better serve you in real time, in the moment. The detail in this unit is absolutely insane. It's very comfortable to wear around the neck. I've been wearing mine just short of 5 months. I have worn mine in the shower quite a few times and worn it to the gym. And what I've noticed is the crystal on the inside will start to hue after a while if moisture does get in there. So again, do not wear this anywhere around water. Very, very important, folks. So with that said, these are on sale immediately. And yeah, well, we'll be doing other videos as as they start to get out into the wild and everything starts to unfold. Thanks, folks. Have a beautiful day.